It was everything but winter at the end of July, but that didn't keep the Irving Healthcare Foundation from having a Tree-mendous celebration in anticipation of Baylor Irving's 50th anniversary. Here's Kathy to explain.
Santa snuck into town on July 31st, a little bit early for Christmas, but as you can tell from his surfer dude attire, he came prepared for Texas heat and hospitality. He and all the guests who gathered at the Four Seasons Resort and Club enjoyed triple-digit degrees of both.
It might be a little bit of a surprise to celebrate Christmas in July until you find out what a wonderful cause we're celebrating.
Baylor Medical Center at Irving turns 50 this year. In the early 60s, there was an obvious need for a local hospital.
Well, we knew we were growing fast. And if you just extrapolate into the future, we knew we were going to be a big city. And we'd soon have 100,000 people.
Clint Howard and other community leaders worked to ensure there would be a hospital in place and ready for that growth.
We just felt for our families and for ourselves, for our employees, that we needed to have a really fine hospital where they could be taken care of.
Their goal was realized. The Irving Healthcare Foundation hosted this Christmas in July reception to announce how that same community spirit will launch the next half-century.
Tonight was the kickoff for Tree-mendous, which is the fundraising event that is going to celebrate Baylor Irving's 50th anniversary.
Tree-mendous is basically the festival of trees, if you will, and a great way for the hospital to raise money and awareness about their 50th anniversary.
Thank you all for coming. We really do appreciate having you here.
Baylor Irving President Cindy Shamp might just be on Santa's nice list for bringing this fundraising idea to Irving.
This event is something that I was part of in another community many years ago.
Of course, there will be a Texas twist to the event that welcomes everyone to get on board.
The gala is on November 25th, and people can sponsor the event, buy a table, buy tickets, or they can actually pick up a tree or a wreath and decorate those.
And it's really built on creating Christmas trees for the holidays that are large trees as well as wreaths, as well as some smaller trees.
Those items are the things that will be on display in our lobby starting on November 16th.
That businesses and individuals can sponsor, they can have them made and created, they can decorate them themselves, or they can have them commissioned.
And we thought, what better place to have this event and also the display of trees than here at your community partner right down the road.
This partnership between the hospital and the Four Seasons goes back over 20 years.
In the beginning, when I wore a hat as Four Seasons Director of Public Relations, way back in the late 80s, early 90s, we started our fund run to help raise money for the Cancer Center at Baylor Medical Center at Irving. That grew over the years.
The partnership has achieved some impressive results, both in dollars and volunteers.
We've raised over $2 million specifically for the Cancer Center. But through that Four Seasons relationship, we also brought and directed a lot of talent to Baylor Irving in terms of board membership on the foundation, board membership through the board of directors at the hospital.
Funds raised at Tree-mendous will support the expansion of the emergency facilities at the hospital. This is Kathy Whiteman reporting.
If you'd like to help with this holiday festival of trees, visit healthyirving.org to learn more.